You can create a new credential. You can use client ID and the client secret from Google Cloud Console. Let's head and search for Google Cloud Console. So we are going to hit the first link, then choose the account we want to use, a Google account. I'm going to go with this email, hit console, hit select a project, and we're going to make a new project. So we're going to name it something like n8n automation, create. Now it's creating our project. Select a project. We are going to go down to API and services, and then enable APIs and services. Search for Google Sheets, hit on it, and then I'm gonna press enable. Press credentials. So now we're gonna hit create credentials, auth client ID. We're gonna press configure consent screen, get started, and we're gonna name it test something. I'm gonna go with this email. Now next, let's make it external. Now next, contact information, I'm gonna fill up the same email, test.genovaflow@gmail.com. Next, now finish, I agree. I'm gonna hit it, continue. Now create. Now we are going back to the main menu. We're gonna hit Google Cloud, and then on the hamburger menu, and we are going to API and services, credentials, create a new credential, auth client ID. Now the application type will be web application, web client. Let's keep it as it is. Client 1 will be the name, and we are going back to n8n, copy the auth redirect email, and we'll go back under authorized redirect URLs, add URL, Control V, and hit create. As you can see now, we have our client ID and the client secret. We're gonna copy client ID and go back to n8n and Control V. We have our client ID. We'll go back, copy our client secret, and also paste it in the client secret. We're gonna hit save. Once we hit save, credential successfully created. We are going back to the main page. We're gonna hit on Google Cloud logo, then on the hamburger menu, and we are going to APIs and services, auth consent screen, and now we are going to hit on audience, and we are going to scroll down and add users. I'm going to type the same email, test.genovaflow@gmail.com, save, and once the email has been added, we are going back to the n8n page. This is a one-time thing, so you don't have to make it every time. So now we are going to sign in with Google, choose the email we want to sign in with. And as you can see here, Google hasn't verified this app yet. Any app in test mode is gonna play the same message. So just hit continue, select all, and hit continue. Now the connection is successful, and you can see here that our credentials have been saved